Namaskar, Namaste. Your Papan Bhai has come again. This was in fact a lot of doubts and clarifications has been asked by the student fraternity. I will just try to share what I am aware, and any other thing definitely institute notification will come for more clarity, right? Number one is with regard to the verification result. Yes, verification result will be done quickly because almost everything is over. We have got all the papers, whoever has applied, we have done that exercise, and within 1 or 2 days our examination department will be able to see that we are provided with the details so that we can announce, right? Number one. Number two, as I told you, with regard to the training, I think that is the part, training exemption. Yes, the answer is yes, exemption will be given for the training. As far as the December examination is concerned, we have merged both June and December. We know the situation, we can understand your problems. So rest assured, don't worry about that. Those who have completed training, otherwise by working at home with the firms or organizations or companies where you are, you can give that. Otherwise, don't worry too much about it. Okay. So number three, both groups, can we write both groups, sir? Yes, already I have told you, and some students were asking the procedure. In some YouTube also I have shared, right? Only thing is, if you have applied for one group, the next group you can take DD from the bank and download that application, fill it and scan both the DD as well as the application form and send it to exam help desk. And the best thing is to add one more email ID, exam.dd2@icmai.in. I am repeating, exam.dd, deputy director, dd2, 12, that 2, @icma.in. If you feel so, you can mark a copy to me also, to my mail ID, papanayobi@gmail.com. Okay. So next question was, sir, what about the center change? Yes, if it is online examination, if it is from home, then there is no question of center change. But however, still, where we feel that in December situations will improve and we can go to some center and take the examination, then center change is allowed. Only thing is, you have to mention your registration number, name, details, everything, present examination center applied for, the change of center place where you want. If it is in same city, like Delhi, Bombay, Calcutta, Chennai, Bangalore, like that, within the city they are not permitting, right? If it is different places, definitely it will be done. Same email ID which I told for both groups, same thing is applicable here. And regarding the foundation students query with regard to that mock test, this is the first time we are doing. Actually, foundation earlier, long back also it was online. However, still, since you are all now presently the foundation student, yes, mock test, nearly 50 series into 50 questions each. It is getting ready. Any time it will be uploaded. Please practice it. Okay, you can practice. So that issue also will be sorted out. It is coming, right? Then another question was for June, December examination. Since you are merging, sir, what about as if we have qualified in June, it will be taken. Then what about intermediate when we complete in December examination, whether we will be able to join and write a final examination in June 2021. We are working on it, definitely, because online examination means any time result can be declared at the earliest, no? So the gap will be there. So that is not an issue. Then some of the students have asked, sir, why don't you extend the date of admission? Admission means prospective students or existing students who want to go for the next group. Already we have given a notification that it is August 10th. We have written to the concerned authority. Once we get a clearance, it might be extended up to August 31st. So let us wait for the notification. I cannot tell right now. Then with regard to the, some students have asked, sir, which is Finance Act or this, which we have to study. From the studies department, individual mail will come to you. as to what you have to study and up to what date, cut-off date, everything that we have requested the studies department, they will definitely communicate. Then regarding the articleship, when I answered the training matter, it is covered under that. However, still I am sharing that don't worry about this thing, waiver will be there, okay, and you will be given a chance, because we can understand the situation, what is actually going on. Then some students have asked, sir, when you are going to give waiver for training, what about computer training, what about GDBC, soft skill program? Yes, again notification has to come. We are trying our best to see that you are getting help under that circumstances also, because we know it is not possible for you to go to the computer classes or GDBC, or say we are not having any offline classes, na? So definitely it will be there. So I actually came in social media asking whether you require any clarification. Some passed out students who are having some different, they are not sharing their name, but they are telling, no, we don't want, don't try to be famous. I am not here for any famous or the thing like that. Already enough popularity is there for me, I know. And I am also a little bit tired about that also. So we are not crazy about that. When I ask somebody that why don't you open an account with your name, so that I will know. Now I had to find out through some other source that those persons who are writing something are actually passed out students. If they are passed out students, why they are too much blocking me in conveying to the existing students? Chalo, take hai. They are also students according to me. Still they are learning, and they are asking, trying to stop me from reaching the students. It is not possible. It is not possible. As long as I am there, and as long as I wish, and unless otherwise the majority of you tell don't come or we don't want you, till such time I will be there. Okay, God is great. Let us see. Then most importantly, the placement. The existing students who have cleared, they paid money for orientation program and they have attended. Now some of the students who did not originally join for that program, they are telling, please include us. My point is, existing students who have paid the fees and who are in that orientation program, first we have to help them. Na? See, by chance I have not joined the orientation program, please understand. By chance I did not join earlier. Now institute is permitting me to join. Suppose I get job. The person who has already paid money, attended the orientation program, expecting the placement directorate to help, now a chance is lost for those students. Na? That is why institute has taken a decision that it is not possible to include new this thing. We are ready to pay now money, sir, please accept. It is not a question of money. It is a question of decision taken by those students, passed out students in February or March. We have to take care of them. Even that we are still finding it difficult to convince the companies, corporates and other things to come for the campus placement. But rest assured, any passed out students, definitely, whether campus or non-campus or continuous process, everyone will be helped. So kindly allow the existing orientation program students to be in a better position to for the institute to share their details with the corporates. Now don't mistake me. This is what I want to convey. Whatever I know, I have just shared, right? So I am in fact addressing you all in between a Webint program where I got a break, because I don't want to delay much. Today in that Webint program, President has announced some important thing, that SAP course for the future students. It will be part of curriculum without charging any extra money. And mock test for the foundation student, that was also announced. Like that, very good things are announced. If by any chance you are able to watch that video which may be uploaded in the YouTube, you can get the direct information from President mouth itself, right? So thank you very much. So break the chain but not the relationship. Break the chain but not the relationship. Let us build up the relationship, and unnecessary exchange of things let us avoid. I have listened to one or two of the students who told that you blocked that. I have blocked it. I am very sorry for blocking it, but I had to do that. The reason is, when I am asking the students whether you want any help from me, when passed out students are telling no, not required. So I feel that the existing students should not be deprived of that chance, right? Otherwise, no ill feeling, nothing like that. Everybody have freedom. You can write whatever you want, but let us maintain some decorum. Let us maintain, because we are professionals. We have to be like that. Okay. So thank you very much. All the best. I catch you again later. Bye.